If you're using Zoho CRM in your business to manage your customers' data, then this video is just for you. Imagine a new contact is added in your Zoho CRM. To connect to your contact, an SMS is automatically forwarded towards that person, as well as to create a systematic record of that contact, the details is added in Google Sheets. Is this possible? The setup that you can see on the screen can actually do it. In this video, I will discuss how you can create this setup. With that, we are going to discuss some benefits of this setup as well. So without wasting any time, first of all, let me show you how this setup is actually going to work. I'm going to create a new contact in my Zoho CRM in front of you. I will add in all the details right here first. Details are new person, title is new lead, new.person@pabblytudes.com with the details. This is the address 12 Old Road, Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. This is the code country India, and the description is new lead. I will save this lead from here inside my Zoho CRM. As soon as this lead is created as a contact in my Zoho CRM successfully, I will show you the screenshot of the SMS that I have received on my phone, and then I will show you how automatically the record of the same contact is created in my Google Sheets. Let me first share you the SMS that I've received. Hi, new person. This was the person who have done the form submission. Thank you for contacting us. We're excited to help you with digital dynamics. Our team will have received your details and will reach out to you shortly to assist you. Now with that SMS, if I will open my Google Sheets, you will see, yes, the record is also created successfully. If we'll tally the response of the record, it's new person, new.person@pabblytudes.com with the same phone number. So as now you can see the record is created. This is how the setup is going to work. This is how you do the customer management inside Zoho CRM with Pabbly Connect. We are going to discuss about this automation in this video, that how it is so helpful. We are going to discuss in brief how you can create it. With that, if you are planning to purchase yearly and lifetime plan of Pabbly Connect to create such amazing automations for your business, you can use the code on the left side of my screen, with the help of which you will get instant and amazing discounts on the purchase. Now, if you are trying to open Pabbly Connect to create this automation, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect. You will have the access of Pabbly Connect's landing page. If you're logging in for the first time, sign up for free from here. As you will do that, you will receive 100 free tasks. Using the 100 free tasks, you can create the setup right away. So now let's discuss about this automation. Now my trigger is Zoho CRM new model entry. Now what is this trigger? As soon as a new contact is added in my Zoho CRM, I want my trigger should capture the response so that we can move on further with the steps. So that is why we've selected this trigger application and the event where the module is going to be for contacts. And as soon as you will click on the save and send test request button, the last contact which was created inside your Zoho CRM account is going to be captured. The last contact that I have created is new person. You can see it will be captured new.person@pabblytudes.com. If I'll further scroll down, you will find the name of this person over here as well. That is new person. You can see right over here, this is the entire address of the same contact, the phone number and the other details. As you will capture the response in the trigger of the new contact, our trigger setup is going to be done. Now there is one thing. Zoho CRM is a pulling based application. You will set up a trigger time by right click right here, go towards set trigger time option. You can set the trigger time from the drop down according to your requirement. In every 10 minutes, as my trigger time is 10 minutes, Zoho CRM trigger is going to search for the new contact and automatically capture it in the trigger. So that is why the instant response won't be captured of the new contacts. Okay. So now this is our trigger Zoho CRM new model entry. As soon as the contact will be created, within few minutes which you have selected as your trigger time, the response will be captured. After setting up our trigger, next is Twilio send SMS. With the help of Twilio, I send SMS towards all my leads. Now over here, we are going to set up this action step. To create the connections, you will need an account SID and account token. You will have both of the details in the Twilio dashboard itself. Okay. Now after that, over here, first we have to enter the body SMS after creating the connection. Enter the body SMS according to your requirement. Hi. Next to hi, I have mapped the data of the name of the contact that is created in my Zoho CRM account. I'll teach you how to map the data. Where you want to map the data, add a slash. Previous step is going to appear, and over here itself search for the name. This is the name to whom I want to send the SMS. So I'll select the data from the previous response, which makes this data mapped in dynamic. Now whenever a new response will be captured in the previous step of the new contact, automatically the new data will be updated in place of this mapped data. And the rest of the body SMS is thank you for connecting with us. You can enter the body of the SMS according to your business requirement. enters the sender's number to whom you want to send the SMS to. You will find the same sender's number on the dashboard itself. You have to enter it right over here and then map the data of the recipient phone number to whom you want to send the SMS to. Click on the Save and Send Test Request button. You will receive a response just like this, which is a positive response, and an SMS will be forwarded, which I showed you in the starting of the video. Okay, so now as the SMS will be forwarded, next I want to keep the record of all my contacts details in my Google Sheets. So we have set up this action step of Google Sheets add new row. Select the spreadsheet after creating the connection and the sheet right over here. You have to select your details. Next, we have full name, email and phone number. Now these are the headers I have created in this spreadsheet, which will appear like this. And for each data, I will map full name, email and phone number and click on the Save and Send Test Request button and the record will be created in Google Sheets. Okay, and you will receive a response just like this inside Google Sheets step, which is a positive response. So now, this is how you create this amazing setup. Now, what are the benefits? Now, as you are instantly contacting towards the leads that is added into your CRM account through an SMS, your leads will know that this business is constant, it is communicating, it's engaging with us. So that means the business can be reliable and I can convert myself into a paid customer with this business. So being engaged with your leads is very important. With that, if you have any customer who's been created as a contact into your CRM account, what can happen is towards the customer, you can send an SMS so they know that you are a good business, you are communicating with them. So it's a very good thing. It's a beneficial part if you're instantly connecting with your contacts. And with this automation, as you're creating the record of all the contacts in Google Sheets as well, you will have a systematic record of all the CRM contacts. You will have a backup database of all the contacts in Google Sheets so that if one day you lose your data because of any errors or any problems, you will have all the customers' details in Google Sheets as well. I've just entered 3 details. You can enter the address, you can enter the other details from the contacts in Google Sheets as well and keep it as a record. So this is a very helpful, amazing use case if you are using Zoho CRM in your business. Now, if you have questions or doubts related to the setup or connections, do comment down below. I will reply to you as soon as possible. The template of this workflow is in the description section. It's absolutely for free to use. And if you're planning to purchase a yearly or lifetime plan, use the code on the left side of my screen. So this was it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you, you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.